Whoa, that's a super cool color. That is so cool.
I'm going to open 2 squishy dumplings. I'm going to start by opening this one. Almost got it. I'm going to go get some scissors. Okay, got some scissors. There. Which one this one is? It's a white one.
It's like a pearl.
It's like a.
You have to really see it in person, eh? Oh, look at that shine.
Okay, now let me put it back in the bag.
That's so good.
Okay, now we're gonna open up this one.
I don't know how rare they are.
Okay. Let's open up this one. This one is a green one.
Really cool.
Okay, so I'm gonna open another one.
Okay, so I'm gonna open up this one right here. Okay, so let's take it off. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna take off the wrapper. What do you guys think?
I think it's gonna be like a pink one.
What do you think?
I think it's doing. I already know.
You ready?
Pink. It's a glitter one.
I'm so happy we opened it!
It's a glitter one.